Hello, my name is Rahman Armanji. I'm from Vehicle Company. Nice to meet you, sir.
I'm Vincentius Deus Mamora, as a manager at Goods Delivery Company. Nice to meet you, sir. Please sit down.
Okay, thank you. Okay, sir. Here I would like to offer cooperation in processing vehicle as inventory for your office.
Okay, quite interesting. Can you explain the trends on the very shop?
This is the offer letter. We offer special package at competitive prices for the large parcels. Apart from that, we also provide scheduled vehicle maintenance and repair service. The minimum contract requirement is 3 years, and in my company provide pick-up truck for delivering goods, and this is suitable for your company, which operates in the field of delivering goods.
Question: my company does pick up vehicles good 3 years is quite a long time. Is there a possibility of negotiating as a honest contract?
Sorry, sir. We have a company policy with a minimum 3-year contract because it proposes stability in vehicle management. We are confident in the after-sales service we provide.
Our company does pick up vehicles for operation, but for new, we have annual services.
What if your company has several vehicles for backup?
But for now, our company has enough vehicles. I don't think we can turn this over at this day. We appreciate detail and opportunity given both your fund. Thus, you have provided do not fully meet our churn needs.
Okay, fine, sir. Our vehicle come with a standard warranty, and we offer regular maintenance service to ensure optimal performance. We can also discuss any specific equipment you might have regarding warranty consultants addition service.
Yes, as you said. Another criteria aspect for us and environmental stability, aero vehicles comply with local emission standards, and you offer any friendly options.
Absolutely, we comply with all local regulation, grading emissions, and we have hybrid and electric vehicle option if evolution certainly is a priority for your company.
No. Let's talk about defense trends. How do you online deployment, schedule, and flexibility you can offer?
We typically offer flexible payment plans tailored to the needs of our corporate client. This can include installment option or bulk versus discount dependent on the volume of vehicle you intend to acquire.
Thank you for the information. However, after careful consideration, I am afraid we will be able to proceed with this unsafe at the stage. The same person do not legitimate your exploitation and opportunity effectiveness.
I understand, sir. I appreciate your time and consideration. Could you place a burden on which specific term are not aligning with your appreciation versus there's room for adjustment on our end?
It's primarily about flexibility in warranty, terms, and the access, customization, option, if you are looking for a partner, we can offer more solution fit our strategic goals.
Okay, sir, fine.
My I will need modifications I can contact you, okay?
Okay, you can contact me at the number listed on the offer letter. Thank you for providing us with this input. If there are any changes to our policy or offer in the future, we will be happy to contact you again.
Okay. You're welcome. Good luck with your because to other companies.
Thank you for your time and conversation. Good luck for the company too.
Thank you.
Thank you.